Dinosaurs had their heyday in the Mesozoic era, especially during the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods from 200 to 65 million years ago. Humans stand at the dawn of a new geological epoch, an epoch in which climate change will alter the face of our planet. Welcome to the Anthropocene. The founding of Exeter Cathedral dates from 1050 AD. At that time, levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere were around 280 parts per million, and the global average temperature was 14 degrees centigrade. 1,000 years of Earth history is easy for us to relate to. So what will the climate be like in 1,000 years' time, when there's a good chance we will have burnt all of the remaining fossil fuel reserves? We recently reached a milestone in the levels of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. In May of 2013, we reached 400 parts per million. If we continue to burn the known 4,000 billion tonnes of fossil fuels, then we expect carbon dioxide levels to rise to 1,500 parts per million around the year 2300. In the coming centuries, we could see global average temperature peak at 8 degrees centigrade above pre-industrial levels. And by the year 3000, we could still have temperatures 6 degrees higher. Carbon dioxide is a very long-lived pollutant, being more persistent in the environment than radioactive waste. It will take around 1 million years for all that carbon to be returned to the lithosphere by the process of silicate weathering. Temperature increases of this magnitude will interrupt the natural cycle of ice ages. In the past 850,000 years, we've seen a pattern of steady cooling, followed by sudden warming, then steady cooling, and so on, in roughly 100,000 year cycles. If we burn the known fossil fuels, we will enter a persistent hot state that will prevent ice ages for hundreds of thousands of years. During this new Anthropocene epoch, sea levels could rise by tens of meters. This would change the face of our planet, with new shallow seas inundating the low-lying parts of today's world map, and a distinctive new layer of sedimentary rocks being deposited in them. Of course, this glimpse into the future depends on many uncertain factors, not least the assumption that we'll burn all known fossil fuels.